Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 4, and today I'll show you how to add a photo to your contact. So to start off, you're going to open up your dialer, go into your contact section and find the contact that you wish to add a photo for. So for instance, right here, there is one. You want to tap on the three dots right here and go into, where is it? Actually, it's right here. So edit contact. Tap on that. It gives you a brief overview of all the information, and also right here the circle with the camera. Tap on that and you have two options. So you can either take a photo. So if you tap on that, it launches a camera and allows you to take a photo right now, but because, well, I don't have really anything to take, I'll choose photo, and that will open up your photo gallery. So from here, I would be actually really happy if I could, there we go. For some reason didn't show it up at the start, but there it is. So there's download. Now for me it's only one photo. There's nothing really else in the gallery app, so this is actually the only photo I have there. That's why it's showing only this thing. So tap on it once more, tap on the image itself, and then you can actually resize it. So if the image is bigger, you can shrink, well, you can scale it to fit whatever you want it to show. So gonna choose it to be full size like so, and tap on done, and you can see it's already there. So tap on save now, and there it is. So that is how you would add a image or contact, a photo to your contact. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.